Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the secret to success online. This is probably not what you're thinking. It is, but stick around. It's going to really benefit you. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, let's get into what is the secret to success online. And you might be thinking this is some kind of technique, some kind of traffic or program or something that you can join, but it's actually not what you think it is. And I was inspired to create this video by a video that Paula Barroso did a few months ago. And I was so blown away by it because when anyone who is a seven-figure income earner tells me what their secret was to success and tells me what their mentor told them that absolutely changed their life, I listen. And this is something that you can absolutely relate to, I think, because I hear this a lot. So what Paulo said, what was his message is that he said, the number one question that people ask him is, why are they not succeeding? Why am I not succeeding? And this is what people tell me too. Everything I join, everything I touch, all the things that I invested in, why am I not succeeding? I hear that a lot as well. And Paulo said that that's the number one question that he gets from his subscribers. And then he said, I was that guy. I was that guy that failed for 8 or 9 years. And then he said his first mentor told him something that was a game changer, because Paulo thought it was like everyone else thinks, that it's just the program. It's my sponsor. But he told him that the problem is within you. You've got to fix yourself first. And he said at first he was, of course, insulted, but he realized he was right. And this is super important. He said the same Paulo with the same broke mentality was joining all these great opportunities and then failing and giving up within a week because he didn't make a lot of money. So it's like the saying goes, you take yourself everywhere you go. So you could have the best opportunity in the world and people are making a lot of money, but you come in and you don't make any money again. And he said, it's not the program. It's not your sponsor. And you must take full responsibility for your life. You must fix yourself first before joining opportunities. And I absolutely agree with that. In fact, some people will come to me and I can tell by their language and what they say that, nothing's ever worked for me. I hope this works out. That they're not going to be successful in whatever, it doesn't matter how easy the opportunity is, they're not going to be successful. So that I recommend certain things to them first before they join, because I want everyone to be successful. And that's exactly what Paulo said here in his video. And in fact, I'm going to leave a link to Paulo's video here on his Facebook wall in the description below this video so you can watch it, because I'm telling you, if this is you, and you listen to this and you understand what he's saying and you do what you need to do, everything will change for you. The number one thing you need to fix is your mindset. And you can continue to blame it on the program, your sponsor. Here's the thing, when you fix your mindset, you're going to, and if you've joined things in the past that have not been a good company, here's the thing, when you fix your mindset and you have a mindset of prosperity rather than lack and limitation, you're going to start to attract to you quality people, quality programs. But when you have a mentality of lack and limitation, you're going to attract to you opportunities and people that just, they don't work out. And I've experienced that myself too. So how do you fix your mindset? We're not going to be able to go into all of it on this video, but if you work harder on yourself than you do anything in your life, everything starts to fall into place. And I'm going to tell you two videos that changed my life. And I've studied personal development for decades. And it's like my passion, and I do it. I study every single day to make myself better. These two things, I'm going to post a link below this video. This takes you to my blog, but I mean, you can get these on YouTube, but I just wanted to put them in one place. And this first one, I had actually listened to it before, The Strangest Secret by Earl Nightingale, but I went through the 4% challenge, the 0 to 10K challenge, and ironically, this is, besides this other program that I'm going through with Josh Elder, this is the only program that I've seen that actually starts with the mindset. And Vic understands that you can have all these techniques and strategies and everything, but if you don't get this fundamental part right, none of that will work for you. So what you do is you watch The Strangest Secret every day for 30 days. It's let's see how long it is. I think it's 30 minutes long, 31 minutes long. And you do exactly what he says with the goal card, reviewing the goal card throughout the day. And he explains to you why most people who get to be age 65 are broke. And so watching this one is going to change how you think. And after you do that, I would recommend this one here. So you do that for 30 days, 30 minutes a day, and then you do this one, I would say, forever. If you watch something over and over and over again, there's no way that you don't absorb that into your subconscious mind. But this is a 10-hour program, Bob Proctor's You Were Born Rich, and it helps you to understand how your mind works and how Bob went from making $4,000 a year to, now he makes millions a year. But he had that broke mentality when he was making $4,000 a year. So this has to do with a lot of things, but I'm not going to go through it. But this absolutely changed my life as well. I'm going through a 0 to 10K challenge with Josh Elder, and this is the very first thing he tells you to do, is to get your goal card and also to listen to this 30 minutes a day. So those two things are going to help you to fix your mindset. You have to do them every single day though. And then when you start to join opportunities, everything will start to work for you, whereas in the past it didn't. I mean, it's a process, obviously. That's the first thing. And then the second thing is forgiveness. And I know you think, oh, how would this have to do with being successful online? It has everything to do with it, because I'm sure there's people that in your life that you need to forgive. Maybe people that you've held a grudge against for years. And I've read stories about people that when they forgive, that great things happen in their life. It's kind of like you're holding a rope really tight, and when you drop one end of the rope, things get better. And it doesn't mean that what that person did was right. It absolutely does not mean that. And it's not like you're saying that's okay what you did. It has to do everything with you and your energy. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below this video to a video that I did actually 8 years ago on how to forgive. It's super easy to do. It's by the amazing Louise Hay. And it's just a series of questions that you ask. You don't need to be in that person's presence, because that person may have passed on, and that's somebody maybe you need to forgive. I know I had to do that with somebody who's passed on, and it works. And it frees you up, frees up that energy, and helps you to bring in prosperity and good things into your life. So that's what I would recommend, these two videos. And then forgiving anybody, you just sit down and who do I need to forgive in my life? And maybe it's somebody online, maybe okay, this person did something that I didn't like, or they stole this from me, or they did this terrible thing to me. I need to forgive that person. Whoever it is, just do it. I'm telling you, it's going to absolutely change your life. So I hope you guys found some value in this Secret to Success Online. I know it's not something I normally talk about, but I think that I've seen a lot of people lately that are joining me, and they're saying things like, I hope this works out for me this time. I hope this works. Well, it has nothing to do with hope. It has to do with yourself and how you think, and when I got this right, then things started happening for me. So hope you guys found some value in this. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. Also, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, as well as some incredible bonuses, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. You can check it out if you'd like. With that being said, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.